Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix apps keep crashing on your Android phone. All right, let's begin. First, open the Play Store on your Android phone and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Then go to Manage Apps and check for available updates. Tap Update All to make sure every app on your device is fully updated, since outdated apps can often cause crashing or freezing issues. Next, open your phone's settings and scroll down to Software Update. Tap Download and install any available Android system updates. Keeping your device software updated can fix compatibility and performance problems. After that, return to Settings and open the Apps section. If a specific app keeps crashing, search for that app manually. For example, if LinkedIn keeps crashing, search for LinkedIn and open its app settings. Tap Force Stop, then go to Storage and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. This removes corrupted temporary files that may be causing the issue. If the app still crashes, restart your phone by holding the power button and volume down button together for around 30 seconds until the device reboots. Once the phone restarts, the crashing issue should be resolved. So that's basically how you can fix apps keep crashing on your Android phone. That's it for this video. Thanks.